Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to get honey in Palworld. So to get honey in Palworld, you need to get these guys. Either catch them and put them in your ranch in your base, or just 69 them or 86. I don't know the term. So if you go to your Pal deck and you go to Guard or Elizabeth, I mean shot at. After stats, go to click on habitat, and you're gonna see where they're located, where they spawn. So as you can see, we are in an area where they're at, and just like, just fight them like so. And why am I not hitting? That's odd. Okay, so there you go. We've aggroed them, and once we okay, this guy is not. There you go. And sometimes they also detonate. There you go. Number two. And as you can see, they drop. There's this honey. There you go. Honey acquired, as you can see on the left side, right? That's the first one. That's the first method. The other method is we need to go back to our base, which is we need to go back to our base. There we go. That's the teleport point, and that is our base there. Hopefully, we have a lot because I do have. If you look at my palette base, I do have one B guard, and if you see, he's not here, but they don't need to be here. But as you can see, there's some milk there's some cotton candy, but there's no honey because apparently this guy has been hoarding them. But if you put your bee guard in the ranch, it will start producing honey. So if we go to, is it here? Yeah, there you go. I have almost 200 honey just from one bee guard in my base. And yeah, that's how you get honey through ranch. If you put a bee guard in a ranch, or catch bee guard, or knock out bee guards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell. I can see you on the next one.